right, this is the start of day 4, and it's still sprinkling here a little bit. So I'm not sure how much outside stuff we're gonna do. We're gonna try to go check out, we're here in Paris, Texas for apparently our Texas European vacation. No, I'm just teasing. But apparently there is an Eiffel Tower here, so we're gonna try to go check it out. But we stayed last night here at La Quinta, and we parked our electric truck right here because they had one plug. And I found this on, not just driving around, but I found this on an app called Plugshare. Now Plugshare is very similar to an app called Gas Buddy, and I think it's ran by consumers posting comments and adding where stations are, status of stations, meaning whether or not they're down, what type of station it is. So whenever you go somewhere, you could just post a comment. We posted a comment last night. Anyways, this was plugged in all night, and we had our temporary charger with us. So why don't you come over here? I'll kind of show you what we did. We had our temporary charger with us, got that plugged in, and then ran it over here. So it has like a little plug right there in the front. And I wasn't sure how this was going to work, but it looks like it worked good, except it started sprinkling a little bit. Don't recommend plugging things in whenever it's thunderstorming or anything, but it's sprinkling a little bit, so we're about to unplug it now. So, but let's see. It was down to about 20% whenever we got here, and we're going to see how much it charged up overnight. So you want to come around over here, Hannah? Here, let's look and see. All right, so why don't you show what pops up there? So 88% in about 10 hours, and that's pretty cool. It's almost like having your car almost full of gas when you're done staying at a hotel. And so actually this was free, so we didn't have to pay for any charging when you're at a hotel. RV parks are kind of the same way. There's campgrounds that are kind of the same way, and we may be showing you some of that too on the trip. We brought tents and things like that for later. So anyways, but today we're gonna experience Paris, and then also head down the road and join us. Did you know there's actually more than one Eiffel Tower? And one of them is right here in Texas. So here we are in Paris, Texas. What do you think about this, Hannah?
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah. So it's an Eiffel Tower with a cowboy hat on top. There you go. So yeah, we're just gonna go check it out and see what this is like.